Hi, we are it up a little bit. We are doing a little at-home spa day. I wanted to just kind of like relax. It's Saturday. I had a very long week and I just kind of like want to relax, listen to some music. I'm going to show you what I like to do when I like to pamper myself a little bit at home. To cleanse my face. I cleansed my face with my CeraVe moisturizer, and I wanted to dermaplane my face, but I actually don't think I have any razors. I thought I was prepared for this, but I guess not. Yeah, that is definitely used. I'm going to go ahead and start with steaming my face and doing a little facial mask. So this is the steamer that I like to use. This is the Aria steamer from Vanity Planet. I really like the steamer. It's not really too much to it. I've been using this for a little bit, for about 2-3 years now, with additional heads like the oils, and drop that into the steamer head. They have different ones for that. I don't do that. I just stick to the original head that it came with. To do about 15 minutes. You can do 15 to 30 minutes on this. So I just filled it up to the minimal line. And you want to use purified water for this, or distilled water. Come with like little stickies, so it sticks right to whatever surface you put it on. If you've been on my channel for the longest, then you already know what mask I'm about to do. Indian Healing Clay. This is like a really good clay mask. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my steamer so that I can start steaming my face while I get this ready. To be a little thick, still liquidy. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the face mask. I'm just using a fan brush. I like to do an even layer. I always have trouble under my chin, so I apply there too. Now we're gonna sit here and let this dry. While that does, I'm gonna watch me some of Kelly Uchis's interview. I will go ahead and put my glasses on. Of the mask that gets on my glasses, once it's dry, I can just crust it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch a little bit of that, and I will check in with you guys once the mask is dry. Okay, we are back. The mask is dry. That's what it looks like. I can barely move my face because it is literally super tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. I just rinse it off with warm water and a rag. I'm gonna go do that in the bathroom. I usually like dunk my face in the water and rub it off. You can also wet your rag and wipe it off, but that's what I'm gonna go do, and I will be right back. So now we are back for the next part. I'll wash all of that off. I'm gonna go ahead and do sheet mask and some eye masks. So this is like my favorite sheet mask. It's from Neutrogena. It's literally like $5. It's a gel mask. It's hyaluronic acid. And I just love the moisture it puts back into my face. So we're gonna add this. And then I also have a little bit of eye mask. These are just cruelty-free with vitamin C and kelp. I think these are like $5. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. Like to do is I like to go in with my face roller and just roll the mask in. Just kind of like really press that product into my skin. Especially because you can see like it's kind of ill-fitted. So I'm gonna roll any of the liquid out and put it like right on my face. And remember not to like drag your skin down. I'm just gonna roll. We're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Come back in and check in with you again. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove this now. I feel like we let that sit for a while. And then I'm gonna go back in with my roller and roll everything in. Okay, so after rolling my face, we're gonna go ahead and do my skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eye cream. This is Verse. This is a retinol eye cream. I use this every day. I love this stuff. And it's pretty inexpensive. Go ahead and put that on. And I just rub it in with my ring finger. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with a toner. This is a Murad toner. And we are going to finish off with a moisturizer. So this is the Believe Aqua Bomb. This is actually the Moisture Bomb. So this one's a thicker cream. I love this moisturizer. I've been using it for a really long time. And put that all over my face. And I think you can already tell just like how good this moisturizer is. Just look at how hydrated my face looks. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspired you to do a little bit of at-home self-care. I'm gonna have everything that I use linked in the description box below. And let me know if this is something you try out. I'm gonna go ahead and relax, eat some dinner, and enjoy the rest of my Saturday night. But I will talk to you guys later.